Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss what data structure is and its use, and also where do we use it in our real life. So let us start. Before going to learn about data structure, first of all, what is data? Anything stored in the computer is in digital form. It could be a song, word file, image file, PDF file, or anything stored in digital form is data. We have to provide a structure to this data, which means that we have to provide a storage format to be able to access that data in the future in a minimum time and to be able to modify and update it. So, first let us see the definition of data structure. A data structure is a data organization, management, and storage format that enables efficient access and modification. See, why we use the words organization and management here? Big companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook are collecting data in a large amount on a daily basis. Since the data is being collected, obviously there will be some organization and management for it. And we will also have to give a storage format to it for accessing it in the future. Generally, what you do on Facebook? You can upload your photos on it on a daily basis. Then, what Facebook has done? It has provided a structure to it. We access it according to that structure only. Since they have provided a structure to the data, we can access, insert, and delete it, right? This is known as data structure. Data structure is neither a software nor a data type like integer, float, etc. Data structure is simply a way to store the data. Let us understand this with an example. Suppose there is a library, and when you go to your library and you see a pile of books, suppose you want the data structure book. Will you be able to get it? How many days you will require to search for the data structure book? That's why librarian divides all the subject books into different sections so that you can easily access the book. What are the books here? They are the data. What did we do with the books? We provided a structure and storage to them. Now its organization and management will also take place so that we can read those books in the future. So now the thing is where it is used. The data structure is the base for everything, including your application, software, and website. If they are working well, it means that there is a data structure behind it, which is its base. For instance, when you search for something on Google and thousands of users are searching simultaneously, still you get the results with the same speed. So the data structure is the base behind it. When you buy any product on Amazon, when you enter anything like data structure book, then you immediately get the results with reviews. What's behind it? There is a data structure. You can see on Facebook that everything works upon the data structure. Of course, artificial intelligence and machine learning also work simultaneously, but data structure is the base. That's why before learning any programming languages, we have to focus on data structures. Since we study all these structures beforehand, we can understand that how to read the logic, how to do the insertion, deletion into stacks, queues, and arrays. If we already have the knowledge of these structures, then we will be able to understand those programming languages very easily because we are going to use these same structures in those languages. In further videos, we will discuss data structures one by one. If you got to learn anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for new updates. Thank you.